Guys, this is Bellstock, and today I am going to be leveling up. Yay! And this is a special level because it's 63 fishing, and that means I can eat a pie and get into the guild. So, here comes the... Oh, Victory! Okay. Well, that was long-awaited 63 fishing. Okay. Anyway, now time to go to the fishing guild, and I'll be back. And we're back. And now I have to eat my pie, and... Oh, goodness. First time in here, I think. Wait, is this the fishing guild? Yeah, I think so. There's a guy with a cape. A 99 fishing cape, which I will never have, because I will... Not, well, I might get it, maybe, if I play for another 10 years, which I'm not, so I won't get it. But, anyway, ooh, I'm in the fishing guild. This is pretty nice. Ooh, and there's even a renew points, but mine are full. And there's a man here. And, well, this man let's see what this man has to say about my 63 fishing. Hello, how's it going? Who are you? That is rude. That is rude. You could have been nicer. Yeah, that's what I thought. Ooh, let's see. What can we? Ooh, we can go caging here. Caging for some lobster. Lobster. Ooh, another 90 XP. And let's see how much lobster are these days in the GE inflated market. 356 total, 178 GP. GPs. I wonder what you can do in here. Where's the door? Everything looks like a door here. The door doesn't even look like a door. Windows look like doors more than the doors look like window. Never. Ooh, a big fishing net for free. Can we add to tool belt? Ooh, we can. Ooh. I wonder what else they have in these exploring the place thing. Let's climb up the stairs. And there's a nice swordfish. Yum. Oh, wait, no, that's a sailfish. I wish they don't have sailfish that you can eat. Or else I'd be like full of sailfish. Because that'd probably heal a lot, because it looks good. And, ooh, Master Fisher. Pickpocket Master Fisher. You have no reason to pickpocket him? Well, maybe I want his stuff, that's a reason. But anywho, let's see what else we have to do at this fishing guild that I was very excited for. It's a room of nothing. Ooh, there's a man back here. Rochi, what does Rochi have to offer in trade? Ooh, he sells you junk and you can buy junk, and he doesn't have much junk. Fishing bait and feathers. Wonder how much he'll buy my lobster. 170. That's a sure deal. And let's see what else we can do today in this fishing guild. And I'm already bored. This fishing guild is not what I thought it was going to be. What? Oh god, I need requirements. Requirements in the fishing guild. It's that guy again that made fun of me. Dragonclaw Rush. Dragonclaws, go! Go. That's what I thought, noob. Ooh, let's loot his items. Drop. Price check. This. 31. Well, anyways, guys. Thanks for watching me slay. And I'll slay that guy, and yeah. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.